Arrived. Looky there. Can you see the fish?
Mm-hmm.
See? Good old tilapia. In about an hour we'll have to get in here and release them into the tank. They have to take a little bit of time to get used to the temperature. And in the meantime, I will be finishing up their air bubbling system. This is 3,000 head of tilapia. And obviously we're going to have a few lost. Look, here it is. Beautiful. So far none dead. Yeah, they're fine. So while these guys are acclimating to the water temperature, I am going to put some little net booties on the filtration system so that they can't be sucked up through it and escape the tank. That'll be temporary until they put on about 3 inches and are no longer able to enter the filter. Looks like we might have a couple dead in this one. Just no, they were just up at the top looking for air. Okay, 3,000 head of tilapia. About an hour they'll be ready to release.